A lot of you have been complaining that your face is darker than your body, your face is dull, you're having acne, redness, rashes on your face. Guys, if this is you, this video is just for you, because I'm going to share with you a secret to a glowing, radiant and a supple skin. You have been hearing about face serums, but the truth is that a lot of us do not really know which face serum to use based on our skin type and our skin concern. And that is what this video is basically about. In this video, I'm going to share with you the secret to using your face serum correctly. I'm also going to share with you how to choose a face serum that best suits your skin type and your skin concern in order to effectively see results. Guys, let me not even lie to you. If you want a supple, glowing skin, you must use a face serum. It is very, very important to incorporate face serums into our routine, because for you to have a radiant, glowing skin, guys, you need to use a face serum. Like, there is no two ways about it. If you're not using a face serum, I'm sorry to tell you that your skin will never be 100. Face serums are concentrated, lightweight skincare products that are formulated to penetrate deeply into your skin, to effectively nourish and pamper your skin in order to rejuvenate it, in order to give you a supple, radiant complexion. So guys, if you're ready to transform your skin in this 2025, if you're tired of having that dull skin, tired of struggling with discoloration on your face, you want an even complexion, a complexion that will be the same from head to toe, guys, let's dive right into this video. Alright guys, the first face serum that I will talk about is the Dr. Rashel Whitening Dark Spot Serum. This serum is a serum that will fade your dark spot, especially if you're on a budget and you want something that will fade your dark spot. This should be your go-to. It is formulated for all skin type, okay, especially for those that have dark spots on their face. So if you have something like this is what you should be using, okay. This face serum contains arbutin and niacinamide. Arbutin will help to fade those dark spots on your skin. It will clear the dark spot and just give you a light skin, okay. Then niacinamide will help control excess oil production on your skin. It will also help to control environmental stressors that causes acne and dark spot and blemishes on your skin. This serum right here is a very effective facial serum, especially for those of us that are experiencing dark spots on our skin. This serum is formulated for all skin types. So whether you're oily, dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin or normal skin, you can use it, especially for those that want to fade dark spots on their skin. Arbutin will help to brighten your skin, fade those discoloration. Then niacinamide will help to control excess oil production on your skin. Then it will also help to control those environmental stressors that cause breakout and rashes on your skin. This face serum goes for 6,500 to 8,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. It is a very good face serum from Dr. Rashel. This is one of the best face serum from Dr. Rashel because it works effectively to clear dark spot, hyperpigmentation and blemishes on your skin. It will help to control the reformation of acne on your skin, all thanks to the niacinamide that this face serum contains. I have been using this face serum for quite some time now to fade the discoloration on my skin, and I must say that it is working effectively for me. Plus it is very, very cheap. So if you're looking for something that will fade your dark spot, guys, especially for those of us that are low on cash, go get this one and it will work effectively for you, okay. This serum will reduce hyperpigmentation, fade dark spot, and give you a smoother and a whiter skin. Forget the fact that it is written whitening serum. It will not whiten your face, because I have been using it and it does not whiten my face. It is just a marketing gimmick, okay. It will not whiten your face, but to lighten your face, yes, it will lighten your face. To fade dark spot, yes, it will fade dark spot. It is just a lightening face serum that will help to fade your dark spot and give you a smoother, healthier and a supple skin. So if you have dark spot or you know someone that have dark spot, just recommend this face serum for them. Alright guys, the second serum that I will talk about today is a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is very, very important. This is the one I am using. I am just showing you the products that I am using. It doesn't mean that you must use this one. You can get any vitamin C from any brand, okay. This one is a balanced active formula vitamin C. Okay, if you cannot get this balance active formula vitamin C, I have this one here that I was using before I upgraded. So this is the Dr. Rashel vitamin C. This is the Dr. Rashel vitamin C, and this is the balance active vitamin C. You can get any vitamin C. You can get any vitamin C of your choice. It is still very fine. Vitamin C will help to brighten your skin, especially for those of us that are suffering from dull skin. Guys, run and go and get vitamin C serum. I'm not even joking. Vitamin C will help to brighten your skin, help to build collagen. It will also fight free radicals that causes blemishes, acne, and just give you a smooth, radiant skin. This is the balance active vitamin C. It will make you to look younger, give you a brighter looking complexion. It will also make your skin to appear more lighter, even and younger. It gives you a healthy skin. If you cannot get any serum, please get vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is a non-negotiable, especially for your morning skincare routine. Now, this vitamin C serum is formulated for all skin types. Vitamin C is a jack of all trades ingredient. It goes with all skin type, whether you're oily, dry skin, normal, combination, sensitive, you can use vitamin C. Okay, so for those of us that are complaining that our facial skin is darker than the other part of our body, vitamin C serum is your answer. For those of us that have dull skin, vitamin C serum is the answer. For those of us that are suffering from redness and all those, vitamin C will also help you because it fights inflammation. Guys, this is non-negotiable. Go get it. If you cannot get this one, get this Dr. Rashel. It will work just fine. This one goes for 10 to 15,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. But the Dr. Rashel goes for 5 to 6,000 naira. Okay, so get any vitamin C that works for you. This is how this looks inside. Okay, you can get this one or you get the Dr. Rashel vitamin C serum. Just get any vitamin C serum and you would really love your skin. Okay guys, if you have watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button, guys, and then do not forget to like this video, leave a comment, put on the notification bell so that whenever I post you will get to know. All right guys, let's move on. The third face serum that I want to talk about is this niacinamide serum. This is a beauty formulas niacinamide serum, but you can get niacinamide serum from any brand. Okay, for me this is the one that I am using. Let me show you how it looks like inside. This is it. This is the beauty formula niacinamide serum. This serum contains 10% niacinamide. It will enhance your skin radiance and give you a smooth, radiant skin. Niacinamide is a powerhouse ingredient also that will help to curb the production of oil on your skin, unclog pores, give you a smooth, radiant skin, especially for those people that are oily skin. If you're oily skin, do not joke with niacinamide. Okay, niacinamide serum is something that you need to be using if you're oily skin, because it will help you to control the production of oil on your skin. If you use niacinamide serum, you will not be having shiny face again. Like for me, I used to have like a very shiny face that looks somehow embarrassing until I started using this niacinamide serum. As you can see, my face is not that shiny and I'm not even using any makeup or foundation, but my face is not shiny again. Just with consistency you will see result. Go get any niacinamide serum of your choice. If you're dry skin, I wouldn't advise you to get niacinamide. If you're dry skin, get vitamin C serum. This is basically for oily skin, but for you to get the best out of your dry skin, do not go for niacinamide, go for vitamin C serum. Do you understand me? This is basically for those that have oily skin and those that have just normal combination skin. Do you understand me? This is not for you. If you have dry skin, please go for vitamin C serum. All right, basically this niacinamide serum targets uneven skin tone. If you have uneven skin tone, if you have hyperpigmentation, this is the serum for you guys. If you have uneven skin tone, use this so that it will blend up your skin, give you a uniform skin from head to toe, and all those white patches and discoloration on your It works so well to treat those things on your face and give you an even skin tone. Basically, this one is for those that have oily skin, that have uneven skin tone, that have hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide serum is a go-to, guys. Alright guys, the next serum that I will talk about is the retinol serum. This retinol is from Estee. Let me show you how it looks like. This is the retinol serum from Estee. This retinol serum will lift your saggy skin. If you have dull and tired skin, retinol serum. If you have wrinkles and fine lines, retinol serum. If you're from the age of 35 and you want to look younger and healthy, retinol serum. Guys, don't sleep on this retinol serum. It will help to exfoliate you because retinol is a derivative of vitamin A that will mildly exfoliate you, then give you a young, supple skin. It will fade fine lines and wrinkle. If you're this person that maybe you're from the age of 40 and you're beginning to experience fine lines and wrinkle on your skin, guys, go get retinol. Okay, now this retinol is not a serum that you use every day. Do you understand me? This serum is not a serum that you use every day. Use this serum 3 times in a week. You can use it Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Do you understand me? You do not use retinol during the day. You use your retinol serum in your nighttime skincare routine. Do you understand me? That is why a lot of us complain that we are using this product. It is not working for us. It is because most of us do not know how to use these products properly. You do not use this product during the day. You use it at night in order to effectively allow the ingredients to work well, because retinol is photosensitive. You do not use it during the day. Do you understand? Use at night 3 times in a week and you will see how your skin will look young and healthy. It will fade fine lines and wrinkle and just leave your skin looking rejuvenated, supple, and beautiful. Okay guys, the last but of course not the least facial serum that I will talk about is a lactic acid. This lactic acid, this is how it looks like inside. Lactic acid is an exfoliant. Okay, most of us use very harsh substances on our face, which is not supposed to be so. This is a chemical exfoliant. This serum will gently exfoliate your skin to bring out dead skin cell, and it will penetrate into your skin to open up and unclog your pores. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid which exfoliates your skin, penetrate deeply into your skin to bring out dirt and impurities and unclog pores, bring out dead skin cell to leave your skin looking beautiful and clean. If you want to really exfoliate your skin properly, go and get this lactic acid. This one that I'm using is just 7,000 naira. To gently exfoliate and retexturize your skin, leaving your skin beautiful. Please do not use this every day because this is an exfoliating serum. So you use this 3 times in a week also. The days that you're using your lactic acid, please do not use your retinol. Use them interchangeably. These are the affordable serums that I have for you. That using your facial serum, you should cleanse your skin with a gentle cleanser. Use a toner. Then the next thing that you will come up with is your facial serum. And when you're using your facial serum, do not allow your dropper to touch your skin. Let it be far from your skin a little. Then you press your serum into your skin. This is to avoid the dropper from contacting dirt and germs from your skin. And after using your serum, you come with your moisturizer. Do not forget to use a sunscreen. If you do not use your sunscreen to lock in your serum, these serums will not go. As much as you can, do well to use a very good sunscreen in order to lock in the serums that you have used. Guys, use this serum to have a glowing and a supple skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? Did you get value from what you watched today? If you did, please, and you're feeling generous, do well to hit the subscription button, like this video, leave a comment, and do not forget to have a fantastic